Hiccup. This is Berk, son. It's our home. It's my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you. Beyond the sunset lies the home of the dragons.
Why can't you follow the simplest orders?
I can't stop myself. I see a dragon and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am.
Stop trying so hard to be something you're not. You can't stop him, Stoic. You can only prepare him. Welcome to dragon training. Remember, a dragon will always go for the kill.
Whose soul reflected my own.
But the truth is, you won't always be around to protect him. He's going to get out there again. He's probably out there now.
Okay there, bud. We're gonna take this nice and slow. Position 4.
No one just gets as good as you do.
Go, baby!
Especially you. Are you training with someone?
Today is about teamwork. Hiccup!
Back! What's that? I've never seen a Grunkle do that.
Wow, he's better than you ever were.
Hiccup? Who would have thought it, eh? He has this way with the beasts.
Everything we know about you guys is wrong.
But what I saw was proof of everything I believed. This wasn't a vicious beast, but an intelligent, gentle creature.
I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them! They defend themselves, that's all! Come on, Toothless. Show them what you got, bud.
You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon.
I am not listening to anything you have to say.
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you. It's okay.
You wish dragons to live free among us, like equals? History has shown that we are the superior species.
It does seem like the whole world knows about us now. This is what I'm good at. And if I can change your mind, I can change his too.
When all is said and done, this young chief...
Dragons, they're kind, amazing creatures that can bring people together.
Tear them apart.
Just let me show you.
No!
It wasn't your fault, Mike. They made you do it.
Belongs to the Alpha.
I'm coming, Toothless!
How are you doing that?
My best friend. He's challenging the Alpha! To protect you! Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. I was so afraid of becoming my dad. The chief protects his own. How do you become someone that great, that brave?
My chief protects his own.
I guess we can only try. The chief protects his own.
He thinks he has to lead alone. Well, because his father had to.
Son,
He doesn't realize the strength you have together. Do you still believe in him?
Of course. I wish he did, but he thinks he's nothing without Toothless.
your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life.
You and me as one.
But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal.
Dad used to talk about an old mariner's myth of a secret land at the edge of the world where dragons live totally out of reach. What if it's real? It could be the answer to all of our problems.
And abandon our home of 7 generations?
I know this is our home. My father left me to protect it. But Burke is more than this place. We are Burke, the people, the dragons. I say Burke is wherever we go. Thanks.
You are the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that hiccup. He just made it.
Easier.
And now it's gonna be a lot harder. So, what are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
You killed both of us! Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan?
Save him. It's okay, bud. You belong with her. We don't. That's all right.
Now that's a kid.
I was so busy fighting for a world that I want.
I'm proud to call you my son.
I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. I love you too. And I want you to be free.
Oh, and I'm up here. I don't even feel a cold. I just feel
Free. The world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. Hold your heads out. Like this. But we Burkians, we know otherwise. Let him come to you. And we'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace.